According to data, roughly 90% of businesses fail within their first few years. Most people immediately blame the economy, competition, high rent, or bad luck. And while those factors absolutely matter, successful business owners know something most people don't. Businesses are usually destroyed from the inside long before they are defeated from the outside. The market can expose your weaknesses, but it rarely creates them. If you do not develop these 4 traits, building a successful business becomes dramatically harder. Number 1. A can-do attitude. In business, things will almost never go exactly as planned. Suppliers disappoint you. Customers change their minds. Marketing campaigns fail. Competitors appear overnight. The average person sees a problem and immediately looks for an excuse. An entrepreneur sees the same problem and starts looking for a solution. Every profitable business in the world exists because somebody refused to accept that a problem was impossible to solve. Number 2. Decisiveness. Many businesses don't fail because they make bad decisions. They fail because they never make a decision at all. They spend months debating logos, websites, prices, product features, and marketing campaigns while competitors are already serving customers and collecting revenue. Perfection is expensive. Speed creates feedback, and feedback creates improvement. Successful entrepreneurs understand that a good decision made today is often worth more than a perfect decision made 6 months from now. Number 3. The ability to take calculated risks. Notice I didn't say reckless risks. A reckless entrepreneur jumps first and hopes things work out. A financially intelligent entrepreneur studies the numbers first. They understand cash flow. They understand margins. They understand customer acquisition costs. They understand downside risk. Every business decision contains risk, but financial education allows you to measure that risk before you commit capital. Many people dream about entrepreneurship. Very few people take the time to learn how money actually works, and that is one of the biggest reasons businesses fail. Number 4. Drive. There will be days when nobody buys, days when customers say no, days when employees quit, days when your bank account is lower than you expected. Drive is what keeps you moving forward when the scoreboard says 0. Business rewards people who can learn fast, adapt fast, and continue executing when others give up. But why are these traits so uncommon? Because the traditional education system rarely develops them. Most people spend years in school learning subjects they may never use again, yet graduate without understanding investing, cash flow, taxes, debt, business structures, or financial statements. Then they enter the real world and wonder why money feels complicated. The second problem is even more damaging. School teaches us to avoid mistakes. We're graded on mistakes, punished for mistakes, embarrassed by mistakes. But if you study how humans actually learn, you'll discover that mistakes are not the enemy of progress. They're the source of progress. You learn to walk by falling, you learn to ride a bicycle by wobbling, and you learn business the exact same way. The key difference is learning from mistakes before they become expensive. Successful entrepreneurs don't avoid failure. They manage risk, learn from failure, and improve because of it. Think about business like a game of tennis. You step onto the court, you take a shot. Sometimes you miss. You adjust. You improve. You take another shot. And over time, your skill level increases. If you lose a match, you don't quit the sport. You shake your opponent's hand, learn from the experience, and show up again next week better than before. The same principle applies to business. The founders who succeed are not the ones who never fail. They are the ones who build financial intelligence, protect their downside, learn faster than their competitors, and continue moving forward long enough to win. Stop waiting for certainty. Strengthen the 4 traits that every successful entrepreneur needs: a can-do attitude, decisiveness, calculated risk-taking, and relentless drive. Then invest in the one skill that amplifies all 4: financial intelligence. Learn how money moves. Learn how cash flow is created. Learn how assets generate income. Learn how investors evaluate opportunities. Manage risk intelligently. Protect your capital. And focus on acquiring assets that continue producing value, whether you're working or not. The wealthiest people in the world don't simply work harder. They understand how money works harder. That's how businesses are built. That's how wealth is created. And that's how empires are built. Anyone who avoids failure is accidentally avoiding success. And look, if you actually want to train your brain to act like an investor instead of a spectator, prove it right now. Smash the like button to lock this mindset into your algorithm, and drop a comment letting me know which of these 4 traits you need to work on the most. Think of business like a game of tennis. Subscribe to Depth Over Hype, or this might be the last time you ever see us.